In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the command line in AutoCAD quickly and easily. If your command line has disappeared, don't worry. This is usually just a simple display setting, and you can bring it back in just a few seconds. This is one of those small AutoCAD issues that can feel frustrating when you first run into it, especially if you rely on typing commands to work faster. But the good news is, the fix is very straightforward. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD as you normally would. Once AutoCAD is open, take a look at the bottom of your screen and check whether the command line is visible. If it is missing, the fastest way to restore it is to press Ctrl and 9 on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut toggles the command line on and off, so if it's hidden, pressing Ctrl plus 9 should bring it right back. In many cases, that is all you need to do. As soon as you press it, the command line should reappear at the bottom of the AutoCAD window, ready for you to use again. If for some reason that shortcut does not work, there is another easy method you can try. Simply click into the drawing area or any active command prompt, type command line, and then press enter. AutoCAD should recognize that command and restore the command line panel. This alternative method is very useful if the shortcut is not responding or if your keyboard layout is different. After using either method, make sure the command line is visible and active so you can continue entering commands normally. That's really all there is to it. If your AutoCAD command line ever disappears again, just remember Ctrl plus 9 first and command line as your backup option. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful AutoCAD tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.